Good morning, dear students. Let us continue with exercise 10.1. Question number 11th from the exercise is: the length and breadth of a rectangular playground are in the ratio 4:1. The cost of fencing playground at the rate of rupees 50 per meter is 5,000. Find the dimensions of the playground. So here length and breadth, they are in the ratio 4:1. Whenever we have questions of such type, then always assume that length is equals to the ratio part for length 4x and breadth is equal to 1x. So perimeter of rectangle is twice of length plus breadth. Length 4x, breadth x. So it will be 4x plus x, 5x. 5 into 2, 10x meters. So perimeter is 10x meters. Now cost of fencing 1 meter is rupee 50. So the cost of fencing the full perimeter, that is 10x meter, is 50 into 10x, that is 500x. Now cost of fencing this is equal to 5,000 rupees, 5,000. So 500x is equal to 5,000. I want to find x. So this 500 will go in the denominator. X will come out to be 5,000 by 500, that is 100. So the length will be 4x, means 4 into 100, 400 meter, and breadth is 1x, that is 1 into 100, 100 meter. Next, 12th question is: Parul runs twice around a square park with side 50 meter, whereas Hiten runs thrice around a rectangular park with length 100 meter and breadth 75. Who covers less distance? So in this question you have to tell who will cover the less distance. Distance means you will find the perimeter and then you will tell who has covered the less distance. Now perimeter of square is 4 into side, so it will be 4 into 50, 200 meters. So the distance covered by Parul is twice, because he has taken 2 rounds. So 2 times of perimeter, 2 into 200, that is 400 meters. And perimeter of rectangle is 2 times of length plus breadth. Length is 700 and breadth is 75. So for Hiten, the perimeter will be 2 into 100 plus 75. That is 2 into 175 means 350 meters. So the distance covered by whom is less? Hiten. So distance covered by Hiten, the distance covered by Hiten is 3 into 350, because he has made 3 rounds. So 3 into 350, 1050. Now let us do the comparison. Parul has covered 400 meter and Hiten has covered 1050 meters. So Parul has covered less distance than Hiten. 13th question is: each side of a square field is 20 meter. There is another field and ratio of their adjacent sides is 3:1. If the perimeter of both the fields are same, find the dimensions of the rectangular field. So again, one is a square, one is a rectangle. Square is having each side as 20 meter. Perimeter of both of them is same. But this square field is having the sides in the ratio 3:1. So firstly, let us calculate the perimeter of square. It is 4 into side. It will be 80 meters. Now ratio of sides of rectangle is 3:1. So again, let length is 3x and breadth is 1x. So perimeter is 2 times of length plus breadth. 3x plus x, 4x. 4 into 2, 8x. So this is the perimeter of rectangular field. Now both the perimeters are equal. So perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Square is having the perimeter 80 and rectangle is having the perimeter 8x. Now let us find x from here. 80 divided by 8. This 8 will go in the denominator. So it will be 10. So x is 10. Now we want to find the dimensions. Dimensions means the length and breadth of the rectangle, the sides. So length is 3x. So in place of x, put 10. 3 into 10, 30 meters. And breadth is 1 into x, that is 1 into 10, 10 meters. Next, 17th question is: Geeta walks 5 times around a square field along its edge. If she walks a total distance of 2.2 km, find the length of the side of the field. Now total distance covered by her is 2.2 kilometer and rounds taken by her is 5 rounds. Now perimeter of square is 4 into side. So perimeter of 5 rounds will be 5 into 4 into side. Apply unitary method. Perimeter for 1 round is 4 into side. Perimeter for 5 rounds will be 5 into this number. 5 into 4 into side. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into side. Now perimeter total was given 2.2. It means 2.2 is equal to 20 into side. Now I want to find side, divide this 2 on the other side. So it will be 2.2 divided by 20. This is my side. 2.2 was in kilometers, so you can convert it into meters. Multiply it with 1000. And here, when you will remove the decimal, 10 will go in the denominator. Now cancel these two zeros with here. You will get 220. 22 into 10, 220 by 2. Cancel it on the table of 2. The answer will be 110 meters. So side of square is 110 meters. Next, 18th question is, the length of a rectangular field is twice of its breadth. Jamal jogged around it 4 times and covered a distance of 6 kilometers. What is the length of the field? Let the breadth of the field is x. We don't know what is the breadth. Let the breadth is x. But we know a relation that length is double of breadth. So length will be 2x. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times of length plus breadth. So it will be 2 into length is 2x and breadth is x. So it will be 2 into x plus 2x, 3x. Now 2 into 3x, 6x kilometers. So this is the perimeter of rectangle. Now total distance covered is 4 into 6x because he has made 4 rounds. So for 1 it is 6x. 4 rounds will be 4 into 6x, 24x. It means the total distance 24x is equal to how much? 6 kilometers. So x will be 6 by 24. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So x will be 1 by 4. Now length of field is 2x. So it will be 2 into 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That is 1 by 2 of kilometer. You can convert it into meters also by multiplying it with 1000. 1 by 2 of 1000 is 500 meters. So this is the length of the field. Next, 20th question is, in an exhibition hall, there are 24 display boards, each of length 1 meter 50 centimeter and breadth 1 meter. There is a 100 meter long aluminium strip which is used to frame these boards. How many boards will be framed using this strip? Find also the length of the aluminium strip required for the remaining boards. Okay, let us calculate how many boards will be framed. Length of board is 1 meter 50 centimeters. So you will convert it into meters first. 50 centimeters. So it will be 50 by 100 meters. That means 1.50 meters. And breadth of the board is given 1 meter. Now we want to find how much is the aluminium strip required. Basically we are covering the boundary. It means we are dealing with the perimeter. So let us calculate perimeter of one board. It will be 2 into L plus B. It is equal to 2 into length is 1.5 and breadth is 1. So it will be 2 into 2.5, that is 5 meters. Now length of aluminium strip is 100 meter. This is the perimeter of one board. This is the total length of aluminium strip. So how many boards I want to calculate? Keep boards on the right hand side. With 5 meter, number of boards framed is 1. With 1 meter, it will be 1 by 5. And with 100 meter strip, it will be 1 by 5 into 100, that is 20. So 20 boards can be framed. And how many remaining boards are there? Total were 24, out of which 20 are framed. So we are left with 4 frames. Strip for one board is 5 meter and strip for 4 boards will be 5 into 4, 20 meters. So 20 meter of strip is required for remaining boards. Your homework for today is question number 14th and 15th from the book. Thank you. Have a nice day.